Hey there, welcome back Flavour Chasers. We've got a dessert today. Now, let me just talk to you about Nourishment. It's going to be a banana Nourishment creme brulee. I've never done it before, I've never made a brulee like this. But hopefully it will be 2 ingredients and it will be dank. So this is an experiment. But basically Nourishment comes in cans like that. Old Tight Nourishment UK, you don't know. I'm going to be using this, yeah. I grew up on this stuff, man. This is like, in any Jamaican households you will find Nourishment. It's good for like Guinness punch and all them thing there, but I've never made a dessert with it. And it's banging for a meal replacement, you know, if you're trying to shred and cut and them thing there. And also after the gym, this can, 20 grams of protein, blood. 20 grams of protein. All the gym heads out there will know what I want, but check it out. Hopefully it goes well. I don't know how it's gonna go. It might go terribly and I embarrass myself, but I'll still upload it. Thanks everyone liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing. We're on like 850 subscribers. Bloody lovely. Comment, like, everything. Share it. Show your nan. Show your missus. Show your dad. Show your kids. Like, hopefully it's entertaining. But yeah, I've got some potato gratin. Yeah. But anyway, yeah. Strap yourselves in. Let's make a bloody dessert out of this.
Flavor Station.
Now, as I said, this is an experiment. I think I'm gonna need 4 eggs, 1 Nourishment bottle, the bomb diggy. Now, I'm gonna show you how to separate these. You want 1 for your yolk, 1 for your white. Now, if you don't like to touch egg too tough, the raw whites give you warts. That's not true, that's a myth. But anyway, crack it, dip it down, cross it over. You see all the white dropping out? The white drops out and the yolk's left in the little pocket. Bang that in there. I'll show you again. Crack it in the middle, try and get it central, and then peel it back to vertical. Now the white drops out, then you transfer. You don't have to get it all out, but just try and get as much as you can. And just flip flop, boom diggy, no messing. Now this is my way, the dirty way. Just grab it in your hand, give it a roll around, give it a shake, give it a how's your father. There we go, flippy floppy, boom. 1 yolk. Oh, look at all the warts. And again, I'll show you. Just be gentle. You don't have to be that gentle, to be honest. Just be gentle though. And just flop it around. Lovely jubbly. Wash your hands, move your stuff, because it's Father's Day, not Dirty Day. Wipe down your dirty pig, man. Yes, man, clean as a whistle. Now your whites, save them for meringue or something, but I don't need them. And there's your yolks, 4 yolks. Get rid of that, grab your saucepan, make sure you get all your yolk out of here. I hope this turns out okay, people. This is an experiment. 2 ingredients for a brulee. You normally need sugar, egg whites, egg yolk, cream, milk, a bain-marie, an oven, slow cooked, wobble. Bang your Nourishment in there once all your yolks mixed up. Look at that. I can smell the banana already. Yeah, baby. High heat. And don't leave it. Don't go and look after the kids. Don't go and feed the dog. You can't leave this pan. You gotta mix it. Whipping like it's stir fry, but it's not. It's a brulee. We're gonna whip it. As soon as it gets hot, the bubbles, yeah, see the bubbles coming to the surface? That's the bubbles in the milk thing. All them sticky bits around the edge, make sure you reincorporate all those. Now, once you see them, simmer. See it thickening already? Oh my days. Now, keep whisking. You can use a spoon if you like. Oh, yes. Now, this is about 10 minutes. See the wobble? That means your egg yolk's cooked. Off the heat, let it cool for 5 minutes, and you'll see the results. It's lovely. Now look at that. It's like custard, man. Yes, wobble. Bang it in a Pyrex jug. It's like the trap house. Man's got the Pyrex and the whip on deck. Ramekins or bowls, whatever you feel. Seems a lot thicker than a usual brulee mix, but a usual brulee mix goes in tepid to cold, to be honest. This is going in hot to set. Bang that down, get rid of any air pockets, level it. Oh, bang them in the fridge. I thought we'd gone into the black zone there for a minute. Bang them in the fridge, no messing. That's 5 minutes in. Oh, finger. 5 minutes in. Now this is after 2 hours, completely set. I'm well happy with that. Once they're set, you see they don't even move, but they'll be soft inside and silky. See the bounce to it, but they're still sticky. I'd say that's a success. Old tight nourishment, sick guys. Now the fun part, you need a spoon, a blowtorch. Man, if you've got a proper plumber's one or a caterer's one, it's sick. But this little thing, you want about half a tablespoon, 2 teaspoons of caster sugar, granulated, vanilla sugar, brown sugar, don't matter. And you just want to melt your sugar, keep your flame quite far away, melt it slow. You don't want them burnt black bits I've seen before. That's nasty burnt sugar. Once you get a mound of it burnt, you can roll it round in your hand and it'll all sort of melt into each other. Yes, man. Just keep melting it like that. Don't burn it. As soon as it goes that dark brown, you don't want it any further. Let's speed this up. This is taking long. I need a better blowtorch, man. You can grill it, to be fair, if you ain't got a blowtorch. But don't touch that. That's done. Don't touch it. It's about 200 degrees. I made that mistake once. Give it a tap. It should be nice and firm. Moment of truth, baby. Moment of truth. Should have a nice thick oh yes. Ease in and ease. Oh yeah. No grains. 2 ingredients, baby. Look at that wobble, like blancmange. Now this is just me trying it, and I must say it was banging. But there was some Cher song on in the background, so I couldn't. But listen, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you had fun. Hope you found it entertaining. Comment or reply to all my comments, because I'm a sick guy like that. Yeah, I'm not some bougie YouTuber. Flavour Chaser merch coming soon. That'll be sick. Get your chopping board, your 6-piece utensil set, your apron, your oven glove, or love glove. It's gonna be sick. Thanks for watching. You lot smash it every time.
Flavor Station.